Which of the following does not describe the word invalid? A. Not conforming to the correct format. B. Disabled by illness or injury. Or C. Make an argument unsound or erroneous. As invalid can have several definitions and pronunciations, we'll need to go through each choice carefully to see which one does not describe this word. A. Not conforming to the correct format could be described as invalid. As this does describe a definition of invalid, we can mark it off. B. Disabled by illness or injury describes invalid. Although it's a different pronunciation, the spelling is the same, and we can mark this off as well, as it's a legitimate definition of the word. We are left with C. Make an argument unsound or erroneous. This is actually describing the word invalidate, which, although it obviously shares a root with our word, is actually its verb form, as opposed to its adjective form. Because this choice doesn't accurately describe the word invalid or invalid, we can mark it as our final answer.